Hi guys, CJ here. Time to wash Boris. Beautiful day for it. Leno's. Can't beat that product. Give the engine bay a wash too. I always like a clean engine bay. This stuff will get your car clean, guys. Tyre shine, guys, but I'll do a close-up. It's a little bit difficult with the sponge that I used because of the knobblies on the side. Didn't do a bad job, come up pretty good. And next time I might try putting it on a small brush and brushing it on into those little nooks and crannies. But no, it's come up an absolute treat. Boris is now nice and clean. Just a quick video. Just washing the car. Beautiful, glorious day. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Cheers, guys. Just got a leather cleaner. It is Leno's leather cleaner, and I'm going to give it a go on the leather seat. But I don't know if you can see, probably can. There's a little bit of I don't know, whatever there. Obviously, the previous owner. So I'll clip you on there, and let's see if we can see if this works. So directions: for light cleaning, spray onto clean microfiber towel and wipe dirt from surface. For tough stains, spray area directly and allow to penetrate. Agitate with a soft brush. Wipe away with a clean microfiber towel. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to spray a little bit on the rag, on the cloth, and if I wipe it like that, I can't believe it, it's gone. I couldn't get that off. When I licked my finger, oh, it's on there with some pretty powerful stuff. That's just come off beautifully. All right, let's just spray a bit more on. There's a little bit there. Bit there. And it's cleaned it up like there's no tomorrow. There's a bit more there. Let's get the clean part. Oh, well, there you go. Proof's in the pudding there, boys and girls. Clean. Brilliant. Let's try this bit. Clean. We'll just do the whole lot. Okay, there you go. Leather cleaner, Leno's garage. And if you want to pause and have a read of the directions, there we go. Cool.